Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Ag1 versus Blueprint. We'll dive into these two prominent health protocols, exploring what each offers for daily wellness and longevity. My goal is to help you understand their core components, from ingredients to overall approach, so you can make an informed decision about which might align best with your personal health journey. Let's get started by looking at their unique features. First, let's explore Ag1, formerly known as athletic greens. This popular greens powder is designed as an all-in-one nutritional supplement, packing 75 vitamins, minerals, and whole food-sourced ingredients into a single daily scoop. It aims to support various aspects of health, including gut function, immune system strength, sustained energy levels, and improved recovery. A daily serving typically costs between $2 and $3, making it a convenient option for foundational nutrition. Next, we turn our attention to Brian Johnson's Blueprint, a highly personalized and data-intensive longevity protocol. This regimen extends beyond just supplements, encompassing a meticulously planned diet, a structured exercise routine, and a stack of over 100 different supplements. Blueprint aims for optimal health and biological age reversal through a holistic, scientific approach. The daily cost for its core supplements alone can be around $6, reflecting its extensive and precise nature. So, which option is better for you? Ag1 is a convenient, all-in-one solution, ideal for those seeking foundational nutrition and daily wellness support with minimal effort. Blueprint, on the other hand, is a far more extensive and costly commitment, designed for individuals pursuing an extreme, data-driven approach to longevity. Your choice depends on your budget, how much time you can dedicate, and your specific health aspirations. Both offer unique paths to enhancing well-being.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.